Guys, do you want to trade gold, silver, US stocks, crypto spot and futures, everything on one single platform, that too with INR? Hello guys, welcome back and hope everyone are doing fantastic. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade all this on one single platform. And the best part is the markets are open 24/7. You can buy, trade and invest whenever you want. Okay guys, now before we start, guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, now the platform most of you all are familiar with and you guys are already using it. It's CoinDCX. It's the number one crypto exchange for crypto spot and futures. Now recently, CoinDCX has introduced US stocks futures trading along with gold and silver futures. And the best part is the markets are open 24/7. Guys, CoinDCX platform is a trusted Indian platform and millions of people are using this platform from so many years. And it's also registered with Financial Intelligence Unit of India. And the most convenient part here is you can link your bank account to CoinDCX and you can directly deposit and withdraw. Now, before you trade on US stocks, gold or silver, you must have an account on CoinDCX exchange. In case if you don't have an account, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So you can click on that link and create an account on CoinDCX and you should complete your KYC process. So the platform that I'm using to trade US stocks, crypto spot and futures, gold and silver and crude oil is CoinDCX. Now, if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, then the link will be in the description of this video. If you use my link, then you'll get 20% discount on all your trading fees. Okay guys, now I'll quickly show you how to deposit on CoinDCX. So here you have this add INR option. Click on this. Enter how much you want to deposit. Just to show you guys, I'll be depositing 2000 rupees. Click on select payment method. Here you can pay either through UPI or through bank transfer. I'll go with UPI. Click on continue. I'll select Google Pay. In case guys, if you haven't linked your bank account, then do that first, okay? I'll click on proceed. Now you will be redirected to Google Pay. And once after you complete the transaction and come on to CoinDCX, your amount will be displayed here. So my 2000 rupees deposit is showing up here. Now before I show you like how to trade on US stocks, gold, silver, crude oil, first I'll show you the basics of spot and futures. Here you have this market option. Click on this. Here you have both spot and futures section. If you want to buy and hold any crypto coins, then you can search here under spot and you can buy. For example, I'll search for Filecoin and you'll get multiple coins list here, okay? Which one you should select? Since I'm buying under spot and using INR, I'm gonna go with INR pair. So I'll select this one FIL bar INR under spot section. I'll click on buy. Here enter for how much you wanna buy and swipe this to confirm. Guys, for selling also the procedure is same to same, and whatever coins that you buy, it will all show up here under this coin section. Now if you wanna trade under futures, then you can either go to this market section and select a coin, or you can directly click on this futures option down below. Now in case if you want to trade futures using INR, then you can select this option. In case if you want to trade using USDT, then you can go with this USDT option. Guys, I've deposited INR, right? So I'll be directly trading using Indian rupees. Now to select your coin on which you want to trade, click on this BTC option. Here you can select or search for whichever coin you want. I'll go with Bitcoin. Now you can click on this and select your time frame. In case if you're new, you'd be wondering like what is this time frame? If I select 4 hours time frame here, then each candle here will represent 4 hours. Okay guys, now you can click on this indicator option and select whichever you're searching for. Now down below, you have this option called isolated. In case if you're trading under INR pair, then you can trade only on isolated mode. In case if you're trading under USDT pair, then you can select either isolated or cross mode. Now you can click on this and select a leverage, okay? And guys, one more thing. If you're confused on what is this isolated mode, cross mode, leverage, I've already made a detailed video on futures trading, okay? I'll leave that video link in the description of this video, so do check it out. So I'll select my leverage and I'll click on confirm. Here you have a long option and a short option. If you think the market may pump, then you can go with the long option. Or if you think the market may crash, then you can go with the short option. Now I'll keep this, I'll go with the market option. Guys, I've deposited 2000 rupees, right? But if I want to trade on futures, then I should shift that funds here onto this futures wallet section. So to do that, click on this plus icon here. Keep this as it is to futures wallet and from INR wallet. And since I'm shifting INR, I'll keep this INR option as it is. So guys, here enter how much you wanna shift and click on this transfer to futures wallet option. Okay guys, now the balance is showing up here. Here enter how much you wanna put on this trade and click on buy long. Now the trade that I opened here will show up here, okay, under this position section. Now guys, if you click on this TP bar SL, then you can enter your TP and SL, which is take profit and stop loss. Guys, just check out the video link which is in the description of this video, okay. I've explained everything in detail about futures trading. Now if you want to close this trade, click on this close option and select how much percentage of trade you wanna close and click on confirm. That's it. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to trade on US stocks. Now come on to the futures section, and at the top you have INR futures and USDT futures. I just taught you how to trade on these both, okay. And next to this you have global futures. Guys, global futures trading and crypto futures trading is almost similar, but here you won't be trading under cryptocurrencies, but you'll be trading under US stock market. Now if you click here, it will display the list of all the top US stocks. So these are all the US stocks. For trading, you can select whichever you want. Okay guys, now before we start trading, you should again transfer the INR balance to the global futures wallet section. To transfer, click on this plus icon here to global futures wallet from INR wallet, as it is INR. Enter how much you want to transfer and click on this transfer to global futures wallet. Yes guys, here you can see that my balance is showing here. I'll click on this and I'll select Tesla. Okay, now you can click here and you can select your time frame. There's an indicator option, and if you want to carry out any technical analysis stuff, then you can do that here. If you want, you can click on this option and you can expand the candles on full screen. Now I'll keep this isolated mode as it is, and I'll click on this leverage option and I'll set my desired leverage and I'll go with the market option. If you select this, your trade will get executed at the current market price. Here enter how much you want to put on this trade, and guys, here you have long and short option. Guys, if you think that the Tesla stock price could rise, then you can go with this long option. If you think the price may go down, then you can go with the short option. Guys, it doesn't matter if the price of the stock is going up or going down. I can make money on both sides, okay, if I predict the movement of the market correctly. Now I'll click on this buy long option, and guys, whatever trade that you open, it will all be here, okay, under position section. So yeah guys, my Tesla trade is running. Now if you want to set your stop loss or take profits, then click on this TP bar SL option and you can enter your TP and SL here. Now if you want to close this trade, all you have to do is click on close. Here enter how much percentage of the trade you wanna close. In case if you wanna close like completely, then select 100% and click on confirm. And guys, in case if you have used a limit option and if your trade doesn't executed still, then those orders will be visible here under this section. And executed trades, which means running trades, it will be here under this position section. In case if you want to open a new trade, then come on to the trade section. Now if you want to shift your balance back to the INR wallet, then click here and change this to INR wallet and enter how much you want to transfer and click on transfer to INR wallet. Okay guys, now if you want to trade on gold, silver or crude oil, then come on to the market section. Under futures, here you have XAU, right? This is actually gold, and this XAG right here is silver. So guys, if you want to trade futures on gold, then you can click on this XAU, and the steps are all same, okay, like I showed before. And guys, if you want to trade futures on crude oil, then you can select this CL. So CL stands for crude oil. So guys, this is how you trade crude oil, gold, silver, crypto spot and futures, US stocks, on all one single platform, CoinDCX. In case if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, then the links will be in the description of this video. Now, many of you were worrying about crypto taxes. Guys, don't worry. Your profits are not subjected to direct 30% tax. Since futures trading, you're just entering a contract with that exchange and you're not directly buying or selling cryptocurrencies. So whatever profit that you make from futures trading, it's not taxed directly 30%. Your profits are taxed under general income tax slab. And guys, I've already made detailed videos on crypto taxes. Okay, so if you have any doubts, then do check out my channel. Now, if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, the link will be in the description of this video. And if you have any doubts related to this topic, drop that in the comment section down below. And also do follow me on my Telegram channel for crypto updates. The link to my Telegram channel will also be in the description of this video. Okay guys, now please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, a peace.